Step one is to remove this electrical cable clip. So let's see if we can do it without ruining the bike. Okay, that's one plastic plug. I'm not a fan of removing these type of things. Just two. Okay, it wasn't that difficult. Okay. Not easy. We'll do the zip tie later. Get a T45 to remove the top engine bolt. Jesus, like that. Yeah, no, put them in here first. Yeah, put them in here first, it says. You're supposed to cable tie them in here before you put this bracket on. It's alright, we can still cable tie it. You still want to pinch it. And this bad boy goes in. It's a nice finish, yeah?
Yeah. Maybe I'll wait. See if I get anything from the house.
Not cheap though. Evotech, you don't sponsor me. Would have been good if you did a video, so us plebs can just see it.
Well, the ones I'm looking at are only 55 bucks from AliExpress, but they're gonna snap anyway, so.
Yeah. So that goes like that. That's fine. So I can zip tie that later.
Yep.
It's just as long as that's just in.
That's it. Yep.
Yeah, they're fine. Okay, so the next bit, this plastic thing.
Yeah.
Can you push it in? Just it should sit in.
You push.
Yeah. Can you leave it in?
Try my do.
Okay, that's it. That's in. Yeah, that's the spot. Got some Loctite on?
Yep.
Yep, cool. And then you got the left. Didn't shot?
Yep.
Just do it, so we'll talk about once it's all set up. Okay, just a tip, use a paint scraper and wrap electrical tape around so you don't scratch your paint. It's most important, so you don't scratch your paint. They're not easy to get these off, as you can see, just more fiddly than anything. That's how we roll. Oh shit.
An extension, I'll make it easier.
That's undone, isn't it?
Just to give you more room.
And if I'm a fan of these torque bolts, I'd probably prefer other ones. What do you prefer? Yeah, for sockets? They're just trying to be fancy, maybe?
Yeah, I don't know. They look good, I suppose.
They look good, but I guess it's just a change, you know. No. I just don't want to run out of Loctite.
I don't know, I would have bought a brand new bottle.
Oh yeah. Here you go. Oh, I'll do this one. Oh, here you go. Feed that one on. My seams when things get sweaty, they're just greasy to try to do this stuff. Now we're talking.
No, it looks tilted too high.
Well, that way.
Going? Fuck you.
Is it going on?
Yep.
Okay, let's put this bad boy on tight.
Do you want to talk it?
Steel talking now. Remember what the talks were?
I don't know.
There you go.
Could have ridden. No, I wouldn't have been.
That's the Evotech Performance crash bobbins installed. Only thing to do is zip tie a couple of cables.